Hello everyone. Sina Microblog, also known as Weibo, is the largest microblog platform in China. My critic paper is about exploring Chinese college students' construction of online identity on the Sina Microblog written by Yuan Zhongming in 2018. Here's the content of my presentation. After summarizing the two theories in literature review, Ms. Yuan analyzes the action types and internet language use in students' status updates and personal profiles. Using a combination of the two methods, a 10-person inquiry and individual interviews, she found that posts on Weibo tend to be more implicit and influenced by the number of followers and the user's gender. In general, this paper is well structured and logical, with proper and cogent literature review, innovative methods and thinking, and constructive and contributive findings. To be specific, the literature review illustrates theories from identity to dual identity to online identity. Besides, an elaborate sifting of the sample makes data convincing. Understanding users' online behaviors by speech act analysis is another innovation. Finally, findings in this paper not only make extensions of the previous conclusions, but also give instructions for future studies on the idea that the real self and the virtual self is a continuum. However, there are still several points that needed to be revised. As for the experiments, a questionnaire is better than the small-scale investigation. Compared with this highly time-consuming method, a questionnaire is more effective. It can generate more data, which makes the results more generative with users of disparate demography. Even though examples listed in the paper are vivid and interesting, Ms. Yuan didn't tell us how to determine that examples chosen are typical. My suggestion is to conduct a pretest to create typical examples. Also, an existing and widely used 5 or 7-point Likert scale to test post effectiveness is recommended. Even if the researcher wants to create her own measurement, it is necessary to make the reliability test and validity test. Besides, this paper is lack of limitation and future studies sector, which I think need another subtitle to further explain. For example, the paper mentions the online relationships between users and their offline friends, so future studies can focus on the comparison between their online and offline connections. Even though online identities are related to users' real identities, the virtual image is still one of the most obvious characteristics of Weibo, which distinguishes it from other popular social media in China. Because of this high virtual environment, Weibo languages tend to enlarge both the bright and dark sides of human nature. Especially for young adults, irrational expressions and personal attacks could happen quite often. Because of this, we should take charge of Weibo using environment and regulate users' comments. Here's the reference of the paper. Thank you for listening.